Needs to know my personal business. No, girl, everybody needs to know my personal business. Apparently. If I don't tell y'all my personal business, it's over for me. My YouTube career is done. It's over. Nobody will watch me. I'm not even entertaining, bitch. According to everybody else, you guys, what I've been hearing is I ain't shit. I ain't shit, bitch. Slow down. Take a few breaths. No, I'm not gonna pass out, bitch. I'm a big bitch. See, what you don't understand is us big bitches, we have like breaths in between breaths. You feel me? So we get that extra breath. You feel me? So like, no, I'm not gonna pass out, bitch. I never done passed out, bitch. But yeah, I'm huffing and I'm puffing, bitch, because you know I'm big. I'm as big as a house, bitch. I'm just so damn big. And I'm getting bigger every single day. Yes, girl. I think I'm close to like 600 pounds. You know what, bitch? I might go on my 600-pound life. Maybe that's how I can get all my following back. What do you think, bitch? You think I can get it back? I think I can get fame, and fortune. Yes, bitch. Fame and fortune. If I go on my 600-pound life. What do y'all think? Should I apply? Girl. I think I should apply, bitch. Okay, so this is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna wake my... Want to know the best way to potentially make a big income online? It's by making lots of small assets, probably around like noon. Maybe like 2 p.m., bitch, because you know I don't wake up early. So like 2 p.m., I'm gonna get up out of bed. Okay? I'm sorry, I'm about to eat another candy. These are so addicting. Say what? Wait, hold on. Somebody just sent me a cash app. She said to get some roach traps. That's what's up, baby. Shout out to you, my love. One love, you feel me? That's real love. I appreciate that. Y'all, I'm trying to tell you what I'm gonna do tomorrow. You need to listen. Yes, girl, the roach traps. I don't really want to kill the roaches, though. I'm telling y'all, they're my only friends. I don't know if I kill the roaches. I'm going to feel bad. I'm going to have to pour one out for the roach. But anyway, listen. Thank you, girl. Listen. This is what I'm going to do tomorrow. I'm going to get my ass up around noon. Like I said, there's going to be a gap. There's going to be like a little gap right there. Like from noon to like 2 p.m. Like around that time, I'm going to get up and I'm going to hitchhike away because I can't Uber or Lyft because I ain't got no money. So I'm going to hitchhike away over to the McDonald's, bitch. But, like, I need to get some food. Well, I could... Girl, I'll use your $20. Yes, girl, thank you. I'll get a couple roach traps. Just a couple. Because there's a couple I don't fuck with. Okay? Ernie and Esther, they cool as fuck. But I don't fuck with the other roaches. So, yeah, maybe I'll kill them. They the homies. They the homies of the homies. So